Saturday. It's a beautiful October Saturday morning. We are heading out to Skyline Drive, and we are actually in line now waiting to enter Shenandoah National Park.
What's up, people?
So we stopped at a parking lot for a trail, but we're just trying to find a nice spot to take some photos. We're not trying to hike today.
Your destination is on the left.
It's good?
You look too fresh and pressed to have been doing any hiking.
No.
But good, yeah.
Yeah, it's not too sweet. This is the dessert wine, huh? How was that?
It's good. It's not too sweet. Bread is delicious.
Okay. And it's a blend, Bordeaux blend, and it's a very light Bordeaux. So it's really great every day. Burgers, spaghetti, you name it. I've never seen it. You already poured it? She did. I like.
Okay.
Oh, I should really like this one then, more fruity. Cheers! Cheers!
Not really. No, you know, after really don't do this.
That was good.
Cabernet Franc. I like. I'm a red. This is the best one. And she said said, this is their signature wine.
My wife is killing that bread. Little
I
morsels.
need something on my stomach to absorb this alcohol. So it's the last bite.
Because it's not there.
Now we get ready to go to a restaurant. Now we're gonna head out, sit and chill for a little bit and enjoy the views. And I could not get any more, but hubby got a glass of the Cab Franc. Yeah.
It was the Cab Franc. First time having that. But good. Now, I'm about to go put the drone up.
He's like a kid with his toy. I am just in awe of this view. Wow.